One Sunday morning, a little crayon named Poppy woke up feeling extra bright. She was purple, bold, bouncy, and ready to color the world. Uh-oh, Poppy's excited. She's jumping out of the box. What is she shouting? A purple parade! Let's have a purple parade! Here comes her friends. Do you see the grape giggling? And the flowers twirling? And look, a purple butterfly! They march through the meadow, singing, purple is magic, purple is bright. We color with joy, we shine with light. The children see the parade. They're pointing to everything purple. A balloon, a book, even a silly purple socks. Poppy smiled and said, purple is everywhere, and it's wonderful. And now the parade is dancing into the sunset. Look at those sparkles. What a purple day. Thank you for watching Read, Make, Learn with Miss Stephanie today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you soon.